How to filter unknown messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on Messages as shown. You are now in the Messages settings page. Inside its settings, scroll down to the Message Filtering section. Tap on the Unknown and Spam option to access the dedicated filtering controls for your incoming messages. On this screen, simply tap the toggle next to Filter Unknown Senders to turn the feature on. This action automatically sorts iMessages from people not in your contacts into a separate list, reducing clutter. Following these simple steps, you can easily filter unknown messages on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.